Are blackheads on your nose becoming a persistent problem? Don't worry, we're here to help. Blackheads are common and stubborn, but the right tools and products can make all the difference. Today we're bringing you a detailed review of the top 7 blackhead removers for your nose. Whether you prefer strips, peel-off masks, or professional-grade tools, this list has something for everyone. Let's dive into our carefully curated list to help you achieve the clear, smooth skin you deserve. Number 1. Bioré Original Blackhead Remover Strips. The Bioré Original Blackhead Remover Strips are a trusted classic in skincare. Specifically designed for the contours of your nose, these strips work like a magnet to pull out blackheads, dirt, and oil. Each strip adheres firmly to the skin, offering a satisfying and effective peel-off experience that reveals cleaner pores immediately. What makes these strips truly stand out is their quality. Made with hypoallergenic materials, they're gentle on sensitive skin while being tough on blackheads. The strips are dermatologist tested, ensuring they're safe for regular use. You'll notice a visible reduction in blackheads after each session, and with consistent use, they also help shrink the appearance of pores over time. Another reason Bioré is a fan favorite is its convenience. There's no mess, no fuss. Just wet your nose, apply the strip, and let it do its job. The charcoal-infused variant offers an added detoxifying boost, making it ideal for those dealing with oily skin. If you're looking for an easy, effective way to clear your nose of blackheads, Bioré strips are a fantastic go-to solution.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. JPNK Blackhead Remover Toolkit. The JPNK Blackhead Remover Toolkit is a professional-grade solution that brings the dermatologist's office straight to your home. This kit includes 5 meticulously crafted stainless steel tools, each designed for precision blackhead and blemish removal. Each tool offers a unique shape and function, such as loops, needles, and extractors, allowing you to target blackheads of all sizes. The high-quality stainless steel ensures durability and hygiene, and the tools are easy to sterilize for safe, repeated use. Their ergonomic handles provide a non-slip grip, making them easy to maneuver even for beginners. The effectiveness of this kit lies in its ability to remove blackheads without damaging the surrounding skin. You won't have to worry about redness or irritation when you use the tools correctly. The set comes with detailed instructions, making it user-friendly and accessible to anyone seeking a deeper cleanse. For those who enjoy taking a hands-on approach to skincare, the JPNK kit provides the precision and reliability of professional tools in the comfort of your home. Whether you're dealing with blackheads, whiteheads, or acne, this kit has you covered. Number 3. LANBENA Blackhead Remover Peel-Off Mask. The LANBENA Blackhead Remover Peel-Off Mask combines luxury and effectiveness in one sleek product. Enriched with activated charcoal, this mask deeply cleanses pores, pulling out blackheads, oil, and other impurities with remarkable efficiency. The application process is simple and satisfying. The mask spreads smoothly over the nose area and dries into a firm layer. Peeling it off not only removes blackheads, but also exfoliates dead skin cells, leaving your skin softer and brighter. The addition of natural ingredients like aloe vera and tea tree oil soothes the skin, making it suitable even for those with sensitive skin. Regular use of the LANBENA mask delivers more than just blackhead removal. It also helps control excess oil production and tightens enlarged pores, contributing to a more refined and even complexion. The product's affordability and ease of use make it a favorite among skincare enthusiasts. For anyone looking to indulge in a spa-like experience while effectively tackling blackheads, the LANBENA Blackhead Remover Peel-Off Mask is a top contender. Number 4. Boxoyx Pimple Popper Tool Kit. The Boxoyx Pimple Popper Tool Kit is another excellent option for those who prefer a manual approach to blackhead removal. This set includes a variety of stainless steel tools, each carefully crafted for precision and durability. The tools are designed with anti-slip handles, ensuring a firm grip and reducing the risk of accidental slips or excessive pressure. Each tool targets specific blemishes, whether you're dealing with blackheads, whiteheads, or cystic acne. The high-quality stainless steel construction not only ensures durability, but also makes the tools easy to clean and sterilize. What sets this kit apart is its versatility and professional-grade performance. With proper technique, the tools allow for safe, effective extraction of blackheads without causing significant irritation. For beginners, the included instructions make it easy to learn and use the tools confidently. If you want a thorough, dermatologist-inspired solution for clear skin, the Boxoyx Pimple Popper Toolkit is an excellent investment. Its precision and reliability make it an essential addition to any skincare routine. Number 5. SUNATORIA Blackhead Remover Mask. The SUNATORIA Blackhead Remover Mask is a highly effective option for those seeking deep pore cleansing. This peel-off mask is packed with activated charcoal, which acts as a magnet to draw out impurities and blackheads from deep within the skin. The mask's formula also includes nourishing ingredients like calendula and chamomile, which help soothe and calm the skin during and after the removal process. Its creamy texture spreads evenly, and it dries into a robust peel-off layer that ensures a thorough cleanse without irritating sensitive areas. SUNATORIA stands out for its detoxifying properties. Beyond blackhead removal, this mask also combats excess oil and environmental pollutants, making it an excellent choice for oily or combination skin. The results are immediate, with visibly cleaner pores and smoother skin texture after just one use. For a mask that combines deep cleansing with skin-friendly ingredients, SUNATORIA offers an unparalleled experience. Add it to your routine for glowing, clear skin. Number 6. LAChat Blackhead Remover Tool. The LAChat Blackhead Remover Tool delivers a no-nonsense approach to blackhead removal. Crafted from surgical-grade stainless steel, this tool is designed for precision and durability, ensuring it will last through countless uses. The double-ended design allows for versatility, making it suitable for removing both large and small blackheads. The flat loop side is perfect for gently extracting larger blackheads, while the pointed end provides precision for stubborn, hard-to-reach areas. What makes the LAChat tool effective is its ergonomic grip and balanced weight, ensuring comfortable use without applying excessive force. The compact size also makes it a convenient option for on-the-go skincare. For those seeking a simple, effective, and portable solution, the LAChat Blackhead Remover Tool is an excellent addition to your skincare arsenal. Number 7. Cbiumpro Blackhead Remover Tools. The Cbiumpro Blackhead Remover Tool Set is the ultimate all-in-one solution for those who take their skincare seriously. This comprehensive kit includes multiple tools, each made from high-quality stainless steel for durability and hygiene. The tools are designed to target a variety of blemishes, from blackheads to whiteheads to acne. Their ergonomic handles provide excellent grip and control, making them easy to use without causing unnecessary skin trauma. What sets this kit apart is its attention to detail. Each tool is crafted for specific tasks, allowing for a thorough and precise cleansing experience. The set also includes a sleek storage case, ensuring the tools stay organized and hygienic. For anyone looking for a versatile and professional approach to skincare, the Cbiumpro Blackhead Remover Tool Set offers exceptional value and effectiveness. That wraps up our best product list of the best blackhead removers for your nose. From strips to tools to masks, these products offer a variety of solutions for achieving clear, smooth skin. Choose the one that best fits your needs and skin type, and enjoy the journey to a more confident you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.